Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that pet owners will definitely want to consider for their vehicles. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below, where you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about the SUV cargo liner for dogs, a water-resistant trunk cover designed specifically for full-size SUVs and minivans with folded seats. If you're someone who loves taking your furry friend on adventures, this product could be a game-changer for you. First, let's discuss the size. This cargo liner offers extra-large coverage, measuring 55 by 106 inches. This means it's perfectly designed to fit full-size SUVs and minivans, but the foldable design allows it to adapt easily to mid-size vehicles as well. This flexibility ensures that no matter what type of vehicle you have, you can protect your trunk space when transporting your pets. One of the standout features of this cargo liner is its multi-layer waterproof protection. Made from heavy-duty 600D Oxford fabric with a water-resistant coating, it effectively blocks dirt, pet hair, and moisture from reaching your car's original carpet. This is especially important for pet owners, as we all know how messy our furry friends can be. Whether it's muddy paws after a day of hiking or wet gear from a swim at the lake, this cargo liner prevents all of that from becoming a headache for you to clean up later. Another noteworthy aspect is its enhanced non-slip stability. With a widened rubberized backing measuring 48 by 51 inches, along with adjustable headrest straps, this mat stays securely in place. This is crucial during sharp turns or sudden stops, ensuring that your pet remains comfortable and safe while you're driving. You won't have to worry about the cover sliding around, which is a major plus for anyone who's taken their dog on a bumpy ride. The cargo liner also features a convenient bumper flap designed to protect your vehicle's bumper from scratches caused by your dog jumping in and out. This small addition can save you from potential damage and keep your car looking its best. Installation is a breeze as well, it snaps around the headrests in just seconds. When it comes time to clean it, a simple hand wash will do the trick, making maintenance easy and hassle-free. But who is this cargo liner suitable for? If you're a dog owner who frequently travels with your pet, this product is a must-have. It's perfect for road trips, whether you're heading to the beach or the mountains. It also serves as a great pet cargo mat for those who need to haul equipment or other items in their vehicle. Additionally, you can even use it as a picnic blanket for family outings, making it a versatile travel essential. To sum it up, the SUV cargo liner for dogs provides an excellent solution for protecting your vehicle while ensuring your pet travels comfortably. With its large coverage, waterproof protection, and non-slip features, it's designed with pet owners in mind. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.